Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today we're gonna be finding out a secret that I just found right now, and yeah, so let's go right now. And the match finished. Okay, okay, I found a place here. Ah, damn, I'm so far. Okay, if you guys wanna go here, you have to collect. Where I'm gonna go right now, you have to collect the lawwood. That's the first thing. And yeah, we're going. I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, we're here, and it's on. Finally, no one's killing me. And we have to go down here, or else there is nothing here that we could do. We have to go all the way down. Oh, by the way, you could go down there, but everyone knows that. But this is something that I saw. And I'm gonna show this. Hopefully, I don't get banned. Please don't get banned. Cause if I do, I have another account that I'll probably give away when I get 20 subs or 20 likes. One of those two. So look at this. Look at this. And yeah, I think this is from Halloween, this is from another one, this is Christmas, and these are others. And this is the cowboy hat. Yes, I'm a cowboy. Yeehaw. I'm stuck. Okay, I'm not stuck anymore. It's a good thing. I'm gonna go down where there's something that will be super cool. I don't think no one has saw this yet, but yeah, I'm gonna go down. Okay, look what I found, and I have to do this fast because the match is about to end. Oh no! Look at all of this! What's all of this? Someone has to answer all these questions, and it's my job to answer them. I'm just kidding, I don't even know why they're there. Woohoo! I'm gonna rub the freaking thing. If you want me to get closer, tell me. I'm gonna go as fast as I can to that place. I'm gonna see if it's still. Okay, let's. Oh, shoot, no! I'm the best Fortnite player in the world. I'm better than Ninja. To them, and I'm dying. Photo finish. No. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Okay. People have tried to come here. Who did I kill? You see, that's why I don't understand. All of this, even blueprints are there. And yeah, that was a short video, and shout out to anyone. If you want a shout out, put a like and subscribe, and yeah, bye.